Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. In this video, I wanted to quickly go over the new Nintendo Switch and give you guys some of my thoughts, a bit of an unboxing slash review slash just overall thoughts so far. Now this is of course the new Nintendo Switch, which you can tell by the red coloring all around the box. If you guys go to Walmart, which by the way, I had to go to quite a few different Walmarts to find one of these. There's a link down the description that will show you if your Walmart has it. But just be advised, they might lie to you when you get there. They might not actually have them out on display yet. But yeah, I had to go to multiple Walmarts to find one that had the new one, and they were selling this side by side with the old version of the Switch, which has the white box. So if you're going to the store to buy a Switch, make sure you're getting the red box if you want the new one. Now the new one here, which I've actually already unboxed here, there's really no difference between this one and the old one. They both look pretty much identical. The main thing is just the box and the processor inside. The processor inside this thing can now give you pretty much twice as much battery as before, give or take. So if you guys were struggling with battery before, pick this up. Now this is my first Nintendo Switch. I just want to make that clear. I did not have the old version. This is my first entry into this gaming realm here for the Switch. I have to say, so far I have been pleased. There's really nothing else left in this box. I guess we can just set it up here for decorative purposes. Now I did actually buy a couple games. I bought Mario Kart 8 Deluxe as well as Super Smash Bros. And of course I downloaded like Fortnite and a couple other games on here just to try it out. I also bought a knockoff Pro controller for like 17 bucks. So this thing has actually been working really well. I will be doing a review on it later. If you're looking at one that looks like this, it's probably pretty decent, at least for 15 bucks. Now I have been messing with this controller here that came in the box with the Switch. It's all right, it's this one here. Nothing to write home about, it's just a controller. Now on my Switch, as you guys can see, I do have a glass screen protector. I will have a review on that one later. So far, it has been phenomenal, and I've got a lot more accessories coming. I ordered like at least $100 or $200 worth of accessories to review for you guys, so I will be doing that soon. On the back here, it's the same soft touch plastic as before, and the kickstand still absolutely sucks. I know people complained about that on the last one. It's hard to get out, and when it does, it feels like it's gonna break. There we go, finally got it out. And as you guys can see, I do have an SD card in there. That is a 256 gigabyte Samsung Evo drive, only like 36 bucks. Highly recommend that, especially if you're gonna be downloading a lot of games. Let's take a quick look at the device itself. I'll just log in and show you guys what I've got. Like I said, I downloaded Fortnite, Realm Royale, Pokemon Quest, Arena of Valor, and of course I got Super Smash and Mario Kart. Now I did get the dark mode, which looks pretty cool, and there's a few settings to kind of toggle through. I think what I'll do is I'll make a separate video of like how to set up a Nintendo Switch for the first time and show you guys all the steps I took, because it was literally my first time and there were a lot of things to change. So since I'm new to the Switch, why don't you guys drop a comment down below on some of your favorite games to play, especially free ones. I don't want to drop too much money right now on it because I did just buy a bunch of games and accessories for this. So I want to hold off on that and maybe just slowly add a new game every week or so. Because if I have too many games all at once, I just won't play any of them. Let me know your favorites, some gems that I might not know of. I think there's a way I can share my friend code with you guys so we can play on some games together. But overall, I think that if you are going to get a Nintendo Switch, obviously you definitely want to get the new one here, because why not? It's the exact same price as the old one, except it's better. The only thing that the old one has going for it is it's slightly more moddable. I think that the processor in the old one is unpatched. So if you wanted to hack it and get free stuff, I think you can do that. I'm not entirely sure. I don't think you can do that on this one yet. But anyways, this was just a quick unboxing of the brand new Nintendo Switch. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, these things go for 300 bucks at Walmart or pretty much anywhere else. So leave me your thoughts. That's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.